Today on Evey's Toy Adventures, we're unboxing some more Playmobil! Evey, you've been waiting a long time for this awesome set. It is...
Whoa!
It's Lucky's dad, Mr. Prescott, and his wagon.
And his wagon? Let's check inside.
All right.
Wow!
Oh.
He has two horses.
Yeah,
What else
does he have on there?
And
Looks like he's got a little campfire.
And he has a little rope.
Ooh, it's a lasso.
It's a lasso.
And he's got two big horses.
Yes.
Did I miss one down here? I think I did.
You can try my scissors.
Oh, thanks, sweetie. I think I got it here.
What is inside? Oh! Wow!
I'm going to show what else I like.
What do the horses have on them?
Oh, looks like they have a harness. Okay, let's take a look at the fire.
They have this on. Do they have this on? Like this? Do they pull it? Do they pull it? Okay, that is the fire. What is this? The blanket? Is it the blanket? Raccoons.
Ooh, raccoons.
Let's just close and open. Close and open. Close and open. There's even stickers. Stickers too. I saw. There was even stickers too. I saw there was. Can you put this one on?
Yeah, it goes on the top there.
Steer puts it on. See?
Great. Oh, it's wonderful. Yeah, let's go. Let's put the wagon together. This looks fun. So go like this.
What is this? What is this, Mama? What is this, Mommy?
Oh, it looks like a nice little log.
What does it do?
I wonder. We'll have to keep going with the instructions and see.
How do the horses pull the wagon? How? We need to put a sticker on here.
Oh. Is that where the last one goes?
Does this one go on this horse? Or does it go on this horse? Which one does it go on? Does this one go on this one?
Ooh, those look... I wonder. Those look like some very sturdy saddles.
Does this one go on this one? See?
Oh, that looks wonderful. Do you think it goes the other way?
Okay. Does it go this way?
Here, let's see. Let's take a look. Ooh, what kind of horses are these?
What kind of horses are these?
Do you remember? They're Clydesdales.
Yeah. They pull the wagon because they're really strong.
I think I got it on wrong here. I think it goes on like this.
This can be the fire, and they can be pulling the wagon. Mommy, the last stick, is the last sticker going this way?
The last sticker, it goes on. We'll have to wait and see. I don't see it on this instruction page.
It's right there. Right here. Where does it go? What are these for?
Let's see.
The wagon is starting to know what.
Yeah, it's starting to get back to put it together.
Let's put this fire here.
These pieces seem to go over here.
Does the fire go with them too?
It goes in this rock pit here. The fire. This little piece here goes in this part. Yes. And then we can. Here's another piece of fire you can put on there.
A ding, 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 and a queen and bean, Tina, Dina, Ina, and a Trina, King, Habina, Tina, Weena, G.
Oh, neat. The seat bounces.
The seat bounces?
Yeah. It's gonna be a rough ride.
How do you get the horses onto the wagon? How?
Well,
How?
There's some bars here that I haven't put on yet. Oh, wow, sausages. You've already got them on there.
Sausages. Sausages.
I know, right?
Sausages.
Do you eat sausages?
No, we don't.
No, you don't.
How does it go off?
How does the sausage come off? Yeah, you just pull it off like that.
I can't get it off.
What do you usually like to have at a campfire, Ev? What do you usually like to have?
Marshmallow.
Yeah. Yeah, put this under here. Okay, let's try and put the horses on. Where's Mr. Prescott gonna go with his horses?
He's gonna go to Maradera.
He's going on a trip to Maradero? Is he maybe going on a trip to Silverload? To get the finest, make sure the train is working and make sure he gets the finest groceries for Ancora.
We need to put the bags in the back. Do we have to?
Sure.
Do we have to put the bags in the back?
Yeah, all of that luggage. Sorry there, Mr. Prescott. Gotta hold on here.
Do you put this in here?
Sure.
I want to. How does it close? How? I don't say. Go ask your papa. You say. You silly Gilly. Does the fire come with them too? Is the fire coming with them too?
Sure, yeah. The fire can go with them.
Does the fire go with them?
I still can't figure out where the last sticker goes. Yeah, let's do it. Here, let's open up this suitcase and you can put these pins in this cup in there. And then Mr. Prescott could probably...
Okay. Now I'm untying now. Wait.
Oh, that must feel nice. And with the other guy.
I'm getting it.
Are there some snacks in your wagon, Mr. Prescott?
Yeah.
Some snacks for the horses?
Yeah.
You must be hungry after such a long ride.
Here you go.
Oh, perfect.
This guy only wants to go in there.
Hey, Dad. Oh, surprise visit from Lucky. How are you guys? Oh, these horses are so good.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Here you go, Spirit. Here's a horse for you. I mean, an apple for you.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, sweetheart. Just having a campfire here. Do you want to roast some sausages?
Yeah, what is in here?
Well, open it up, sweetheart.
Let's open it up.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Oh, my God.
Do you need a hand, Lucky?
Nah.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
I have some nice hot cocoa for you. Let me get in my wagon and get all our snacks out. Come on over here, Lucky.
Mama, can you put this?
Oh, sure. This hot cocoa tastes great, Dad. Thanks. No problem, Lucky. Let me roast up some of these sausages.
Can we get some for Lucky?
Yeah,
Lucky's gonna sit on this.
that's a great idea. I'll just roast both of these up. Spirit, you stay away, you little rascal. No sausages for horses. Oh, it's such a wonderful day, Lucky. I'm so happy you came out to see me here and have a nice rustic time outside.
There it is. Thanks, Dad.
Here you go, sweetheart.
Thanks.
Sausage. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I could use some nice cocoa right now.
Ooh, more.
Join us next time for our next adventure. This Playmobil set has many adventure ideas. We're thinking them up right now.